Welcome scholars, after a break, we are back here. You've received your books also. Children are really very excited for the new books, I hope you all must have started writing in the books, the notes which you already received it. Today, we are going to discuss the workbook exercise of EVS chapter 1, My Body. We had already done the chapter, right? And we had finished the exercises also. Now, we will be discussing the workbook exercise. I will explain you the exercise and then you can start doing your workbook also. So, let's start.
We will do the first worksheet of our first chapter, My Body, in our workbook. So, the instruction says, look at the pictures given. There are some pictures given in the workbook, right? You have to identify the body parts. These pictures are the body parts and you have to identify them. And then you have to write whether these body parts are found as single, that means only one, or in pair, that means two, in human body. These are the pictures of the body parts given in our worksheet. Now, try to identify them one by one. See the first one. It is picture of an eye given. But in a human body, do we have two eyes or only one? Yes, we have two eyes. Everybody has two eyes. That means they are in pair. So our answer, eyes, will be written here in pair. Right? Let's go to the next one. Nose. How many nose do we have? Yes, only one. It is a single one. So, nose will come under single. Then, ears. Again, we have ears in pair. So, we will write it under the option of pair. Then, what is this? Yes, neck. Everybody has only one single neck. So we will write it here. Now hand. Here in the picture, only one hand is shown. But everybody has two hands. So they are in pair. Legs. Again we have legs in pair. Mouth. We have only single mouth. And tongue, a single tongue. With the next exercise, the next page, the next worksheet says, look at the picture and answer the questions. Let's see what the picture is. Children, this is the picture given. The picture is of a boy. He is eating an ice cream, watching TV, right? And the question says, which of these senses is the child using? Now, when the child is doing this activity, what are the sense organs? Which are the senses he is using? The options are seeing, hearing, taste, all of these. In this picture, he is seeing the television, he is hearing it also, and tasting yummy ice cream. So our answer will be all of these. And says, which of these sense organs are used when the child is eating ice cream? The options are A. Tongue, B. Tongue and eyes, C. Ears and eyes, D. Skin and ears. So what do you think he will use? Yes, he has to use his tongue and eyes. needs to see that yummy ice cream to eat. Question is, what will happen if the child watches the television for more than 6 hours every day at a high volume? So, he is watching television for 6 hours and that too with a loud volume. So, what will happen to him? Option A says his eyesight will weaken. Eyesight will become weak. Option B says his hearing will get affected. Option C says both. A and B option, both are correct. And option D says his sense of smell will get affected. Now, if you watch TV for so many hours, the eyes is going to get affected. But with high volume, that means even the ears will get affected. So our correct answer will be option C, both A and B. Number 4. If the boy eats a lot of sweets every day, it will harm which of these body parts? A. Tongue, feet, teeth, eyes. But obvious, when you people eat lots of sweets, what does your mama says? Brush your teeth fast. So, you're going to affect your teeth with sweets. 5. Which body part will help the boy to remember what he saw yesterday on television? Now, we learnt about it. That which body parts help us to remember things? Is it stomach, eyes, brain or skin? Yes, you people guessed it right. It's brain which help us to think and remember things. Next exercise says, give one word for the following. The large covering on the body which help us feel things around us. What does help us to feel? Yes, the skin. So the correct answer is skin. Number 2. This organ help us think and learn. You are correct. It's a brain. Helps us breathe. Yes, nose. And you can also write lungs. This organ pumps blood to all the parts of our body. Yes, it is our heart. Then helps us digest the food we eat. What helps us to digest the food? Yes, it's stomach.
Now, after understanding each worksheet in the workbook, now you can start writing the answers in it. You will be receiving a PDF format also for it, which will be helpful to you to write down the answers and finish off with your work on time so that you are with us. Till then, goodbye.